Hello and welcome to the class of Managerial Economics. Today we are taking up the topic of elasticity of demand. This is from module 1 of your coursework. Elasticity of demand is nothing but the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in one of the variables on which demand depends. So elasticity is nothing but just the responsiveness of demand of the commodity. So here, as we have said here, percentage change in one of the variables on which demand depends. The variable in which demand depends may be income, maybe price of the given commodity, maybe price of the related commodity, and other things. So on the basis of that, we can say that elasticity of demand is the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a commodity to changes in either price of the commodity or price of the related commodities or consumers' income. So there are basically three types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand, and income elasticity of demand. So first of all, we are going to look at income elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand is measures how factors such as price and income affect the demand for a product. The income elasticity of demand measures how the change in consumers' income affect the demand for a specific product. For example, let us say a person is purchasing 10 units of soda bottle when he has a particular income of say 5,000 rupees. Suppose the person's income increases to 7,000 rupees. Definitely the consumer would want to consume more of the commodity which he likes. So therefore, instead of consuming 10 units of soda bottle, he would want to consume 12 to 13 bottles of soda bottle. So which means that the change in income of a person causes a change in quantity demanded. So this is reflected by income elasticity of demand. As we can see here, the formula, income elasticity of demand is given by percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in income of the consumer. The other thing we have up here is cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand of a commodity X for another commodity Y is the change in the demand of commodity X due to change in the price of commodity Y. So cross elasticity of demand is nothing but but it simply states that what will be the percentage change in quantity demanded of a given commodity when what will be the percentage change in the quantity demanded of a given commodity when the price of the related commodity changes. As for example, we have two goods over here like tea and coffee. Suppose there is a increase in prices of tea. So cross elasticity of demand studies what will be the percentage change in quantity demanded of coffee given a percentage change in price of tea. So which basically means that when the prices of tea increases, consumer would simply move from tea to coffee, and hence we study here the cross elasticity of demand of tea and coffee. So it is given by so the formula is given by here EXY equal to percentage change in quantity of X divided by percentage change in price of Y. Thank you.